We are from Manvi Studio and Sterile Biosystems. We have manufactured an air and surface sterilization product called Sterile Air, which essentially eliminates the need for usage of chemical-based disinfectants. It's a plug-and-play device that can be installed in any indoor space, and within 30 to 45 minutes, it will sterilize the entire space without having to resort to chemical or UV-based disinfectants. The product was developed by Dr. A.V. Rao and manufactured by Manvi Studio. Sterile Biosystems is the exclusive marketing partner for the product, and we are marketing this product pan-India. Product has been extensively tested at various reputed hospitals and research institutions across India, and is currently live at hospitals like KIMS, like Gandhi and Usmania Hospital as well. We are part of CCMB's incubation program, and the product is undergoing validation against coronavirus at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology in Hyderabad. Product's origin traces back over 7 years, which was specifically focused on eliminating hospital or healthcare acquired infections and eliminating superbugs. And now, with the advent of the coronavirus pandemic, we are witnessing a surge in the use of chemical disinfectants. Our objective is for our product to be a viable alternative for use of harmful chemicals or harmful UV rays as a mode of disinfection. With our system, you can safely and easily sterilize any indoor space without having to resort to usage of chemicals or UV. And the product has been recommended by doctors for people with suppressed immunity, for example, people who have renal problems or undergoing dialysis, who have respiratory illnesses, chronic respiratory illnesses like asthma and bronchitis, and also people with sinus problems. We also have seen improved health, overall health in residences where the product has been implemented, especially for senior citizens, where we are providing them with a safe space without having any germs. The product works on the principle of ionization, and these are the same ions that you would find at near a waterfall or near a fast moving river. So these are negative hydroxyl ions. So these are extremely safe for humans and animals. So there is no side effects involved here. And because of these ions, you will feel extremely refreshed and active in your household if you install this unit. And in commercial settings, we are able to provide an extremely sterile and germ-free space for your employees, which would lead to reduced number of sick leaves by your employees, and also providing them with an overall safe environment to work in, irrespective whether that person is healthy or not.